Good afternoon, May the 3rd, 2016. Time to wrap it up for the day. We came into the E-mini today wanting to be sellers once. We thought that we could test support at the 2050, 2055 area. We had hoped to sell 63s to 65s. And we're able to catch it here early and then could catch it here late. On the buy side, we had a 45 to 50 was buy 2. And our buy 1 was at 55.57. And that really didn't take place. It just blew right through that one. So the short side of the market was the side to trade from. Now we're on a 5-minute screen right here, trying to eliminate the noise. Just slow things down a little bit. Successful trade, successful trade, successful trade. This last one right here would have been a scratch. On the buy side, successful trade, retest failure. No worse than a scratch, no worse than a scratch. Don't know how this one's going to develop. So the short side of the market was the side to trade from. If you use this blue line to clear you from which side you're going to trade, this was the first long that you took right there, and you had a chance to got a pretty good run out of that. So the idea, the levels, everything worked out pretty well for us today. Like it when it's like that. The F1 screen on the E-mini, lower high, lower low, we can sell it tomorrow. On the F2 screen, put it all together, kind of a D pattern, especially if M or N can't take out 2052. Put it all together, base it on last night's, definitely a B. So this market again appears like it wants to trade lower, and the 50-lot trader really spent most of the day short. We have news tomorrow. ADP unemployment or employment numbers. This will be private employment 193. Friday's non-farm number comes up. International trade minus 41 billion. 0.4. I was amazed at how accurate they are on that one. Productivity minus 1.2, and unit labor cost plus 3.5. The focus will be ADP private employment, and that's a number that's pretty much been what it's been for the last several months. So right now, where are we? We're be selling 59s, 62s, then 65s to 70s for sell 1. On the buy side, 49 to 51, and then 46 to 44 for buy 2. Okay, on the treasuries, they traded up today and held most of those gains. Weakness in the E-mini. They're telling us that they expect more selling to come in the E-mini. Higher low, higher high. F1 says find a place to buy it. F2, sure we'll confirm it, will be a B. Definitely a B, but volume is below time. We've seen stronger patterns. We're at 9.5. Last rotate up stopped at 12, so sell failure at 12 to 16. 19 to 23 for sell 2. On the buy side, we had the breakout from 6, so we'll make 2 to 6 buy 1, and then 29 to 25 buy 2. Looking at the 30-year, our first little band of resistance is going to be the buck to 04. Selling 7s to 11s, 15 to 19. On the buy side, we've got 22 to 25 for 1, 13 to 17 buy 1, 5 to 9 buy 2. Now tomorrow we get the announcement for next week's auctions, the 3, 10, and 30-year. That tends to bring in a little selling as the market sets up for that auction. Usually by Friday we see that. Well, it's interesting. The gold and treasuries stock market, they all kind of separated the last couple of days. It hasn't been, stock market down, gold up. Lower high, lower low, we can find a place to sell gold on the F1 screen. Definitely a B. Have our move out of the middle and C period. I still like the long side. We've got the breakout from 1272, so 1275. Makes sense. We had this low volume number at 84 that stopped the selling, so buy 1, 83.85. Buy 2, 78 to 80. On the sell side, 90 to 92. 95, 97 for sell 2. Crude oil. I think crude's a sell. I come in every day thinking crude's a sell because of the fundamentals today. This 42.50, 42.75 area looks like it's pretty good support right now. F1 screen says find a place to sell it. Here we are at 43.75, so maybe a little higher. 44 and a quarter is sell 1. We have the 8 PIs tonight, and we have the EIA numbers tomorrow. Everybody's anticipating a build. 44.50, 44.75, sell 2. On the buy side, 43 and a quarter, 43.50. Then 42.50, 42.75 for buy 2. And the thing that brought in the selling on Monday afternoon was the flex fuel or something's in Prague that had a build at Cushing. And looking at the euro. Higher low, higher high. There will be conflicts right here. We're going to look at a pretty strong B on the F2 screen. So 1450, 1465. 1482, 1490, 115 even. So there should be a lot of support between 75 and 115 even. 115 even is a round number by 1. And 1475 by 2. I do like the sell side better. You got sellers starting at 30, 40. I period high is 50. So let's make 35 to 45 sell 1. The spill up here came from 62, 60 to 70 sell 2. And that's it for May the 3rd, 2016. I will see you all bright and early in the morning. You'll have a great evening. We'll get after the CME's ATM and shake it again in the morning. I'm out of here.